salt water.
Mommy, drink that.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Alright, so today we're going to be doing a taste reaction test. So I have a couple of things here. What we're going to do, we're going to pick a name from the bowl, and whatever we pick, we will have to taste. Okay, Zai?
Okay, Mommy.
Okay.
I'm ready to start.
You ready to start? So, Zai,
Yeah.
you're gonna go first. Child before mommy, right? One. Okay, you're gonna pick one. Alright, let's see what you picked from the bowl. Why did you look like that already? We're gonna start off with the rose water. Zylen, ready to taste some rose water in your life?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm a fair person, so I got her a very small spoon. I will not filling it up. Alright?
Oh, here I go.
You can kneel down if you want to. Kneel down so they can see you. Yes, right there. Alright. Alright, so just giving her a little taste. Go. You give me thumbs up?
Yeah.
It tastes good?
Yeah.
Alright, come, kneel down, kneel back down.
Because that was not bad at all.
It wasn't bad?
No, it wasn't hot.
Okay.
It wasn't hot either.
Alright, that's good. Girl better than me. Alright. My time to pick. Butter.
Now we need to read it.
Alright. So this is mine.
Maya, let me open it for you.
Okay, thank you.
You got the wrong choice.
Yes, I got vinegar. Of all the things to pick from here, I had to start off with vinegar. Yes?
Mommy, I told you, let me grab a food.
Alright. Thank you.
Maya, let me pour it.
No, I don't want you to throw it away. I don't want you to throw it away, alright? So I gave her a little bit. I'm going to take a little bit as well. That is only fair.
Mommy, but you got the tray.
Yeah.
So you need to taste it alone.
Yeah, I'm going to taste it alone.
Because I already picked it.
Hallelujah to the Lamb.
Mommy, I told you I picked
Ah!
it. Mommy, I will give you some water. Here, Mommy, here.
Zylen is a salt water.
Mommy, drink
Oh.
that.
Oh, James.
Mommy, drink some water. Drink some water.
Oh my goodness.
Drink some more. Drink
No,
some
that's
more.
alright, Mama. Listen, I never knew vinegar tasted like this by itself. Zylen, you're lucky I'm me get the vinegar here.
Yeah, because I win.
You don't win yet, you know. Oh, shaka masa so. Alright. Pick. Your pick. Pick one.
Which one I'm gonna?
No, pick
Mommy,
one.
I'm gonna close my eye and pick.
Alright.
Is that the right one? I
Just
think
pick one, Zai. Just pick one. Alright, because we have.
I-
Oh my goodness!
I think I chose the wrong choice.
You chose soy sauce.
No! That was hotty.
No, it's not. Alright, come.
No!
Come, Zylen, come.
It tastes bad. I will get that water.
Yeah. Hallelujah to the Lamb. Alright. Come,
Why
Zai
why did I choose that choice? No, let me choose again.
You're gonna choose again after you do this. Come on, come. It's not so bad. I'm just gonna give you a little tips. Just that, see? Little bit, guys. Barely. Come.
Let me taste it. Let me.
Just put it in your mouth. Come on.
I'm just kidding.
Come. Come. Remember, you have to taste it. See, I had my vinegar.
Mommy, give me water.
Oh, what that?
More.
No.
More.
Alright. Cheese and peas. Alright, let's just take them off the tray as we go. So we have, oh, you had rose water. And I had vinegar. So we remove cheese and vinegar. You're good enough food, but not by itself. I think you're extreme. Come. Alright. Time for me to pick now.
Mommy, close your eyes.
Alright, I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm gonna pick this one.
You got the wrong choice.
I got ginger beer, ginger beer, ginger beer.
Because you love ginger beer.
I do.
Yeah, because you can drink it and it's not bad.
It's not bad at all. You hear all that fizzy goodness?
Mommy,
Ooh.
Mommy.
No, this I can take a big spoon of. Yeah?
Is it good?
It's very good, Silent.
I told you it wasn't bad.
Alright. As I turn again.
Mommy, what did I choose the wrong choice?
Just pick one.
No, let me choose again.
Just pick one, mommy. That's two. Pick one. One. Alright.
Did I choose the wrong choice?
No, you didn't. You chose cooking oil.
No!
At least cooking oil don't have no taste. At least it don't have no taste. And again, you know, being considerate and nice. Just a little swiggle.
Cooking oil doesn't taste bad.
Yeah, Ben does.
Mommy,
Mm.
thumbs up to you.
Alright, thumbs up to me.
And a kiss for you.
Alright, come. Alright, thank you. Alright, so my turn to pick now.
Now remember to close your eyes.
Yeah, let me close my eyes and pick.
You choose the wrong one.
Alright, so I have one in my hand. Alright, let's see what we got. I picked milk. I picked milk.
Let me go and give it to you.
Yeah.
Mommy, let me give it to you. Where'd you go? Here's the milk.
Thank you. I don't even have to use any spoon. You want some of my milk? I'm so kind. Alright, put that one side. So, we are down to lime juice, food coloring, and vanilla. Who will Zai pick next? Or no, what? What will Zai pick next? Pick one.
Wait, what did I pick?
Just pick. Alright? Pick. That's the one you picked up. Alright. So she picked lime juice.
What?
Lime juice.
No!
Lime juice.
Mommy, look. Mommy.
Zai, you have to. Alright? Just a little tops. Yeah. Just a little tops.
Well, let's see if it tastes wrong or good.
No, you can't just you have to
Mommy, let me.
one time. Really? Really?
Now water too.
Apparently not enough taste she. I feel like more girls with my vinegar for taste.
Mommy,
You want it with vinegar?
Mommy, just kidding.
Alright. So I have what? 3. Oh. Alright. So we're down to 3 now. Come on now. Come.
Mommy, water.
So we're down to 3 now, and I'm gonna pick.
Let me open it for you. Mommy, let me open it.
Jesus, whenever the food coloring. Come, let me see.
Hold on. You soon get to see it.
So why should I hide it? Why are you hiding it from me?
Because it doesn't want you to see it and laugh at it. Because you will choose the wrong choice. Here you go.
I chose salt water. Yeah. Alright.
Let's see how that tastes. Mommy,
Mm.
let me put some water there too.
Wait, no. I have salt water. Alright. I have no problem with drinking a little salt water.
Mommy!
No man, I'm good. Girl good. So now it's a battle against the who will get the food coloring.
Mommy,
Come.
Mommy, what do
Yes?
you need to choose again?
Me?
Yeah.
Close your eyes, not upon a wait up. Come pick.
Did I pick the wrong choice?
I don't know. Which choice is the wrong choice? You drop it out.
Mommy, that means green I lose?
No, just pick one.
Did I pick the wrong choices?
One. Just pick one, Zai. You have the two of them in your hand. Just pick
Look.
one. Just pick one. Alright. Let's see what she picked.
Did I pick this?
Here's a lucky girl. Which means I am unlucky. Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Yeah, you got vanilla, girl. Give me a high five. Yeah.
Yippee, I didn't choose this. Mom, can you put water in there too?
Oh, this smells so good, man.
Mommy, stop.
Smell that? Smells so good. It's like everything thumbs up for taste. Everything you give thumbs up. Alright, so I don't even need my bowl. It's the last one up in here. It's the last one, so I don't need to cover my eye.
Mommy,
Yes?
if you don't cover eye, you will choose the wrong.
Alright, come. I didn't even know why I needed to pick. I was just hoping it said, don't drink anything. Food. Coloring.
Okay, here you go. Now let me pour it into the spoon.
I don't want you to spin it, sweetie. Oh, yeah.
Mommy,
Yes?
remember I want to do it this time.
Do what?
Remember I want to do it this time.
Ja, ja. Ah!
Mommy, let me feed you with it.
Careful. Ah! How does that come up on the teeth? I want to correct you, so.
Scream.
Oh, this will come out on my teeth.
Mommy,
Yes?
say E.
E.
No, little lots.
E.
Mommy.
Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, share, and
Subscribe.
sharing is
Hearing.
caring all day,
Click
every day.
here.
Thank you very much. See you guys in another video. We are OUT.